Hi everybody, my name is Dominique Bosen and I'm with the Event People Creative Co-op. We are here today to do a little YouTube video to show you how to get a little gift for a client or a guest at an event, and this little gift will be essential oil roller balls. So to start, you can get your products off of Amazon or Walmart or Hobby Lobby, any kind of like local creative craft place, something like that. They're super inexpensive. You can get it in bulk as well. And what you'll want to pick up are these little rollerball sets. And the rollerball set usually comes with a little dropper. Today I have a little bit of a bigger dropper. It depends on the size that it comes with the packet. But today we have this little size right here, and that's going to help us to put all of our essential oils into the roller ball really easily and not get any everywhere if you're just pouring it in there. And then this little essential oil roller ball as well will come with a little lid, the roller to roll it on, and a lid as well to just cap it. And then to do these oils, you'll need some grapeseed oil. You can pretty much use any oil you want, but my preference is grapeseed. I also like avocado oil. Those are probably the best ones to use for this. And then you'll need 4 different essential oils. You'll need ylang ylang, lavender, patchouli, and bergamot. You will use all of these equally except for the patchouli. The patchouli is just a couple dashes. I would say probably about 3 or 4, but it's up to your preference. Patchouli is musky, so it's going to be a little bit more of like a male or a dominant scent, I would say, masculine. So if you like that and you like that kind of scent, I'd put a little bit more, put a little bit less, up to you. The ylang ylang, lavender, and bergamot though, you'll do equal amounts of that. But you can also kind of, cater it to whatever your taste is, whatever the smell is that you're going for. And this combination is really, really great because it's a great combination for relaxation. And I know that everybody, especially event coordinators or event people, everybody in the event industry could definitely use a little bit more relaxation. So we are going to grab a mason jar as well. And in this mason jar, it's going to give you the exact measurement you need. So you're going to fill this all the way up to the top, and this is going to fill all of your essential oil roller balls and more. So what you'll need here is your 4 oils, and you'll fill it up to exactly halfway of the mason jar. So the 4 oils go up halfway, and then the rest of the way of the mason jar is all grapeseed oil. So once you fill this up halfway, you're going to take your grapeseed oil and fill it all the way to the very rim. All right. I would say I used about 1/4 of this bottle right here. Not too much. It's a 24 fluid ounce bottle. We have that there. And then we have all of our essential oils right here. This is our whole mixture just all together. And the lid will keep it all in there tight and no oils will leak out, and you can use this for later on if you don't use it all. So you're gonna take your little dropper here. I'm gonna use the oil to the side so we can see this more clearly. And you're gonna get a little bit of oil in there. And then into the essential oil, little roller ball. Perfect. All right, and then you just take your roller ball lid, put it right on the top, just like that, and you can roll it on. Stress relief right there. And then you just put your lid right on the top, and you can keep it with you wherever you go.